Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my daughter's dresser organization. Currently I am washing my sheets and everything. My daughter's at her dad's this weekend, so I'm cleaning like crazy. Showing you guys a little bit of her dresser organization, how I put things together. I recently, actually this morning, spent 2 hours reorganizing it because she's about to be 6 months, so I made sure that I took out all of her 3 to 6 months and just put 6 months and up in her drawers. And then I reorganized a few things, but yeah, you guys will see it in the video. If you guys are new here, then please consider subscribing. My goal is to meet 600 subscribers by the end of this month. I have about 2 weeks, so that's plenty of time. That's 7 people per week, so please consider subscribing. It's free, so just hit that subscribe button right there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye! Hi guys, I'm just going to be going over my dresser organization. So let me start off with telling you guys where I got this dresser from. I got it actually for free. My mom found it on either Craigslist, I think it was Craigslist a few years ago, maybe about 5 or 6 years ago. And it was this color right here, what you see underneath. But I sanded it down, painted it, primed it, painted it, and then distressed it with sandpaper. Like blocks of sandpaper, and then the hardware here was actually like a brass color, but I spray painted them matte black. I love this piece because it comes with a huge mirror, and then these actually fold. You can fold it in if you want. I love it. It was originally my dresser, but now it's my daughter's dresser, and it's made out of real wood too. But I just love all the detailing and stuff. Let me just go over, I guess, what's on the top here. So I have 2 little lamps here that I actually don't even use. My sister bought this one. I plan to use it when I move into an apartment just for me and my daughter. This one is this is actually battery run, and it's out of batteries. I have to change the batteries, but I love pineapples, as you'll see. And then I also have a little figurine here with a pineapple. This is a pregnant lady with a baby pineapple. And I got that actually from a friend on Instagram, from my baby registry on Amazon. And then this is a snow globe. It says, "Reach for your dreams," and it's a little snow globe with giraffes, and giraffes are my favorite animal. It's a mama giraffe and a baby giraffe, so that's cute. My sister got me that. And right here I just have my daughter's handprint from December 1st. I can already tell just by looking at this that her hand has grown so much, so I'm glad that I was able to get that before she got any bigger. So cute, so little. And then right here is her first piece of Nahoku. Nahoku is my favorite jeweler. That's where my ring is from. It says Anna Kalia on it. That's my name in Hawaiian. If I can get this open. So it's just a pair of gold pineapple earrings. My sister got her that. And then in her jewelry box here, it's got a bunch of earrings from Hawaii as well. These are for me, actually. They're bigger, and then these are smaller for her. These are my earrings. They're plumerias from the Keiki collection from Nahoku. I have to clean them, but I took them out because my daughter was rubbing her face on like the side of my face, which is obviously where my ears are, and she was like scraping her face against it, and I was like, no, that can't happen, because I didn't want her to get scratched. So I haven't worn my earrings in forever. And then right here I just have, you know, a lot of earrings. Her ears are not even pierced yet, but she has real diamonds in here, real sapphires, gold. Pretty cool. She has more jewelry and real diamonds than I do. This is just a little toy that my sister got her. It was part of my surprise baby shower, and it was one of my favorite things for my baby shower. It's so cute. It's just like a scooty car, a mini scooty car. And then this is Cupcake. It's the tiniest little Care Bear. Sit her right there. And then right here, I just keep all of her burp rags. And then this is the sign that I did her announcement with. Over here is her changing table section, just on top of my dresser. My best friend found this for me. It's Pottery Barn, and it was like, I think she said it was like $10 for Pottery Barn. I think she found it on Facebook Marketplace, if I didn't already say that, but good deal. And then I also keep a digital thermometer right here. This is kind of like her diapering station. I always keep hand sanitizer over here for before and after diaper changes. This is her wipe warmer. I fill it with dry wipes and then just add water inside. And then I keep all her diaper rash creams right here. Desitin, A&D ointment. This is some lotion I'm trying to get rid of. So every time she has a diaper change, I just put some lotion on her. Aquaphor. I don't really use this anymore, but I do use it for certain things. And then also eczema, because my poor little baby has a little bit of eczema on her cheeks. Hairbrush, a little, I think this is called an Oogie Bear, to just take out her mucosa and her little boogies that she gets. These are her little bracelets that my mom made. I'll show you guys real quick. So this is the bracelet she started out with when she was like a month and a half, 2 months old. It's so tiny compared to her new bracelets that my mom made her. Look how cute. They're so little. But those are her bracelets. I keep them here so I don't forget to put them on her. Here's her piggy bank. Any $1 or $5 bill I find, I put it in here. There's also a $2 bill in there. And a bunch of extra spare change. I use the Burt's Bees talc-free powder. I also have her hat right here and also my Amazon Alexa Echo thing. Now, starting with the inside of the drawers, we'll start with this side first. The first drawer, it just houses all of her onesies currently. I just went through them and organized this for like 2 hours before I even filmed this video, because there's a lot of things in here that don't even fit her anymore, that were like 3 to 6 months, but she's about 5.5 months right now, so going on 6, and she's gaining a lot more weight now that she's getting a little bit older. So I kind of reorganized her clothes. I kind of did it by color, so pinks, whites, darks to lights, colorful stuff. And then in here, it's just a lot of her bows. And here's some more bows. Oops. Here's some bows right here. And then I call them turbans, but they're like little hats. I got them off Amazon. So that's in that top smaller drawer. And then in this drawer, there's all of her pants and leggings, and these are all of her jammies. I just went through these as well. She's growing so fast, so I had to get rid of a lot of jammies. In this drawer, I have bigger onesies that doesn't fit her yet. And if you guys are wondering, these are the Skubb IKEA drawer organizers. They're really cheap. They're not that expensive at all. And then I have shoes right here that are a little bit too big for her. A really cute sweatsuit set that is a little too big for her. I think she can fit into the sweatshirt that comes with it, but the pants are way too long. So that's why they're on the bottom drawer. And then I'll start over here in this drawer, since we kind of already went over a little bit of the top diapering section. So in here, I keep all her diapers, so it's just easy to grab. I have one hand on her, and then I can just easily grab a diaper over here with the other hand. She's in size 2 now, you guys. I can't believe it. She was in preemie when she came home, and now she's in size 2. It's so crazy. But back here, there's just a little bit of extra diapers. These are the little waste bags for diapers. I don't really use those because we don't go out much because of the pandemic. And then back here, I have 2 packs of Whoopsie wipes. I go through these kind of quickly because I use them dry, and then I also use them wet. So I buy them in packs of 6. So generally, a pack of 6 will probably last me maybe almost 2 months, I would say. I don't have to look on when I purchased them last, but I still have some extra. So, but what I'll do is typically, obviously, just wipe her booty, and then I'll use a dry wipe to make sure her butt is completely dry before putting on her creams. And then over here, I just have like little samples of like body wash. Let's see if this will focus. Of body wash and facial lotion, things I'm trying to get rid of. Little tiny Burt's Bees soap. I think it says, yeah, Baby Bee on it. Cute stuff. I should probably put these little lotions. Is this a lotion? Yeah, I should probably put these little lotions up here so that I remember to use them, because if it's not up here, I'll forget that they're in there. But anyways, and then I also have a pack of just emergency wipes if I ever run out of the Whoopsie wipes. I don't really use fragranced wipes like this anymore, just because she has the most sensitive skin. So I just stick to the dry wipes with filtered water in her wipe warmer, and it's been working. She hasn't had diaper rash in like 2 weeks. And then in here I have clothes that are still too big for her, and then I keep all her shoes and things in here that she currently sort of can fit. These are a little too big, that's why they still have like the little hanging thing on them. In here there's just a bunch of diaper covers and a few little tutus. And in this bottom drawer I have all of her medicine stuff. Briefly, it's just like a lot of like the medicine syringes, thermometers. I have her Frida nose sucker, which I don't use because I have the Oogie Bear, which I prefer better. And then over here, it's just, this is like a chest rub, but it's like for babies. I think it's by Zarbee's. Yeah, Zarbee's Soothing Chest Rub. And then I have gas drops in here, gripe water. I haven't used gripe water on her yet, just gas drops. People say they're different, but to me, in my mind, they're kind of similar because it's supposed to like help with tummy aches and gas. I don't know. Okay, and then over here I have like manuals for a lot of the baby things that I have. And then in here, like pretty much on this side over here, just clothes that are still a little bit too big, but this is her milestone blanket. I'm really bad about taking her milestone photos. And then I also have her changing pad sheets right here. Just keep them right here, so in case she like pees on anything, I can just easily change it. They're right there. Clothes that are too big, these are all her bathing suits that she has. And in this middle section right over here, it opens like that, this top drawer right here, so over here it has like her little hats and things like that. These are Christmas ones. I don't know if I want to keep these. She didn't even wear them this past Christmas because these are too big and her head was a little too small. But I don't know, maybe she'll grow into them for next Christmas. We'll see. These are a pair of leg warmers, a little unicorn thing. I want to take a picture of her in this, and then I'll probably donate this so I don't have to keep it. But she has a black beanie. We have matching beanies, so I have a black one just like this, and then look how cute they are. They're so small. And then also tan pair, and then these are just some more beanies and hats and things like that. Her little Santa hat, which she'll probably grow out of by next Christmas, so I'll probably end up donating that too. Over here is some sashes that come with some of the outfits that I have hanging up in her closet. And then in here, I have her little slippers. I like to put these on her after a bath. I just think it's really cute. And then I'm going to try to start putting like her dirty socks in here and washing them in this little garment bag because I don't want them to get lost or stuck in like the lip of the dryer, if you know what I mean. And here is some socks that she has. And then that's that little compartment. And then here is just kind of odds and end things. This is a little, it's a version of a Wubba Nub, I guess. It's not a Wubba Nub, it's a Bright Starts, but it's Elmo, and I think it's super cute. And this is actually detachable, so you can watch the pacifier part. Little TV toy. This is her cute little mushroom. I like how it jiggles. And then some sunglasses. This is a bracelet that my best friend got her. Frida baby, like gum massager or tooth thingy. I don't know. Haven't used it yet. She doesn't have any teeth yet. And these are just some sample packs. Hand sanitizer, always. And then over here is all her bows. I had a friend from Instagram send her these. She doesn't have a lot of hair yet. That's why she hasn't worn these yet. But I cannot wait to put these on her because if you guys know, I love Moana. And then there's just a bunch of like regular bows in here as well. What's down here? Oh, more pacifiers. She prefers the ones that actually have the little lovey on them. But these are like Wubba Nub pacifiers as well. It's the same shape and everything. And then on the side over here, I have disinfecting wipes. I actually just cleaned off everything right now before I filmed this video. These are more, I think these are more filters for the nose sucker, which I don't even use the nose sucker anymore. This is one of those mommy hook things. I haven't used that either because I don't really go anywhere, really. And then this is her brush set. the brush right here came in this set right here, which also comes with a comb and then a brush that looks like that as well. But she doesn't have a lot of hair yet, so that's why I still use the soft brush. Whoops. Okay, and in the middle drawer over here I have some Munchkin, is it Munchkin? Yeah, Munchkin Arm & Hammer diaper pail, little deodorizer things. This is where I keep her washcloths. Here's some of her like pacifier wipes, boogie wipes, extra things of talc-free baby powder in there. This is her nail file I use now. I do not clip her nails. I use this baby nail file. Game changer, you guys. Definitely, if you have babies, you need to have this in your arsenal of baby gadgets because this thing is awesome. It keeps their nails really, really short, and my child actually really likes to get her nails filed with this thing. I do it when she's sleeping. She doesn't wake up, and even when she is awake, she just lets me do it. It's like a little pampering session for her. I have some hair curl cream in here. Like I said, she doesn't have a lot of hair yet. I have tried this on her before, and I'm not sure if it made her curls any curlier because she doesn't have a lot of hair, but when she does start growing her hair out a little bit more, or when it starts growing more, then I will be using this to see if it helps activate her curls a little bit more. And then over here is just a Baby Source Christmas ornament I need to put with the Christmas stuff. I am trying to go through all this baby bedtime lotion. It smells like lavender, and I use this every night when she gets a bath because I give her a bath every night now, which has been helping with keeping the diaper rash away. So I'll be continuing to give her a bath every night. I have some TV toys in here, some just toys to hang on her stroller, receiving blankets, some towels on this side, and then here is all of her bibs, and there's 2 rattles under there, but all these are her bibs. At first I was like, I don't need all these bibs, but now that she's starting to eat, I definitely need all those bibs. And then in here I just have a lot of her swaddle blankets, but to be honest with you guys, I don't swaddle her anymore, so I don't know. I already went through them and donated the ones I don't want. I love these ones still, and a lot of them are from Hawaii, and from friends, so I don't want to get rid of them. I'll probably use these probably in the spring and summertime just to like put over her stroller or anything like that. It's a lighter blanket for the summertime when I push her in her stroller, so I'll be keeping those. And then more towels here. This is the little attachment to her bathtub when she was a newborn, but we don't use that anymore. This is a halo blanket. I haven't really used it because she was kind of too small for it, but now she can fit it, so I might try it. I don't know. I think it's the one. Yeah, it doesn't keep her arms in it, but I guess I could zip it with her arms not through the holes. I don't know. She sleeps pretty okay now, but who knows, that could always change. And then I also have a box of Happy Baby organic teethers. I bought these because my daughter is kind of starting to teeth. And this one is made for the sitting baby, either assisted or unassisted. Yep, sits with help or support. She started eating solids like maybe 2 weeks ago, so that's been an exciting journey. But yeah, that is everything that is in her dresser. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.